This weather update is powered by Alliance Maintenance.
A good Sunday night, everybody. It's Sunday, April 4th, 7 o'clock update. This is really a model review. We're going to go over just the GFS all the way out, all 384 hours, and show some trends that I've been watching. All right, let's get into it. All right, so starting out, we got those on the left temperatures, on the right simulated radar or preset. All right, so let's get going here. Cooler night overnight. Just that fronts move through, kind of chilly, no big deal. Tomorrow will warm up into 60s, maybe a few 70s, especially Kansas and northeastern Oklahoma. No precip in the forecast. As we work into Monday, we start warming up some more. We got some light showers trying to develop northern Missouri along the frontal boundary there. Notice that's winter mix. All right, so moving into Tuesday the 7th, nice moderate temperatures. Got some rain trying to develop off the Rockies. No big deal. It's a little weak wave working through. Wednesday the 8th, we're good. Got heat really starting to surge in western Oklahoma, Kansas, Texas Panhandle. And if you look at the ISO bars on the right side here, you can definitely see the winds really trying to pull up those temperatures. So that's beginning stages of the setup. And then Wednesday, we start seeing showers develop off of that. It kind of coincides with the cool air up here. Thursday, my birthday. Got a frontal system here. Doesn't look like it's being pushed at all. So we'll see some light showers hanging out on that front. I don't see any pushing element, which means stagnant here. So afternoon winds will kick off showers, thunderstorms. 10 p.m., 1 a.m., 4 a.m. Yeah, that just sits there, which is going to keep the whole area really unsettled. So on-off showers, kind of like a summer setup. All right, I'm moving into Friday. Temps really start bounding up in Kansas, Oklahoma. That front's still hanging out up in northern Kansas, which is kicking off those showers all the way down to Oklahoma Panhandle. This area here. All right. So I think our next big disturbance is probably going to be the 10th, 11th time frame. Just looking at it, there's still no pushing element. We don't have anything forcing that cold air down, so nothing to trigger widespread severe storms yet. The 11th, everybody's starting to heat back up. We start seeing some pool on the left side there in western Kansas. That might amount to something. So this is the 12th. Temperatures rebound. We start seeing widespread showers and storms develop across the area on the 13th. Decent amounts. There's your low. So we got cold that should start charging up. So look at this. This is the 13th. So 12th and 13th looks very active. You can definitely see temperatures are suppressed here because of the showers keeping the temperatures down. But ahead of it, you got prime heat for severe weather, and then on the backside of it, we've got winds pulling in on the backside, or the heat pulling in on the backside. So the 13th, we still have heavy showers and thunderstorms through the area. 14th, now look at this. Then we have a pushing element coming out of the Rockies because of that low pressure. So the 14th, look at that cold front just pushed through, and it's negative tilt. I wish, can I draw? I can draw. If it comes in this way, it's called negative tilt, which gives us fluent energy for storms. All right, continuing on. So that's balling up. The GFS does not do well at severe weather forecasting. It just gives us general analysis, so you're not going to see a lot of red on the map or anything like that. So just a FYI. Seeing what we're seeing now really indicates, yes, we're going to see some severe weather through this. Boy, look at those temperature drops. If we have precip up north, it would convert over to snow or winter mix. All right, where are we at? The 15th, my dad's birthday. So it's pushing once again and kicking off showers, thunderstorms along that front. Southeast Oklahoma and central Arkansas. Oh, look at that. We start seeing precip influence with the cold front in northern Oklahoma. Boy, look at that. That's a huge temperature drop for the 16th. High pressure's in charge. Briefly, doesn't hang out. Well, it keeps things moderate though. And then we got another round of showers, thunderstorms developing 18th and 19th. That just looks like a wave. I don't anticipate severe weather out of that one. I do see a lot of cloud cover and keeping temperature suppressed on the 19th. And then the 20th, and then we are as far as it goes. All right, so that gives you an idea of what's coming down the chute for us all the way through the 20th. All right, have a fantastic night. There's nothing else to go over. I just want to go over the GFS. Figured we'd do a little long range, see what's coming out. But nothing over this weekend, and really nothing at the beginning of next week. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday is our next system, and we'll see how that all starts breaking down by Monday. All right, have a good night. Have a great Sunday, Easter Sunday, everybody. We'll talk to you later.